Die atletiek en tafeltennis wêreldkampioenskappe vir mense met Down-sindroom word die week by die Dr. Petrus Molemela Stadion in Bloemfontein gehou. Atlete van onder andere Oostenryk, Italië, Portugal en Suid-Afrika neem hier deel. Die atlete word nes nie-gestremdes gekeer.
When we start at school level, and then from there they go for provincial level, and then we select a team that is going to be a national team. So we went through that process. So the ones which are here, they went from school to province and then to national.
Die Suid-Afrikaanse atlete staan nie terug vir ander lande nie.
I think because it's not for the first time we have this type of games, some of them, they already have an experience interacting with other countries, and then we have new ones, but I think they are taking it alright, especially this type of learners, the Down syndromes, you know, they are just free to everybody, lovely, and they are always happy, so they can interact very well. If you can just check them in there, they just look like they are from one family, yeah.
Die atlete moet 16 wees om deel te neem.
We need those ones who are over 16, yeah, above 16, yeah, any other age, it must be, yeah. Even if you're 100, as long as the energy is still there, you're welcome.
Hulle geniet die Vrystaat baie.
Die Bloemfontein is lekker.
Ek was
Dan is daar ook groot liefde onder die atlete.
Hy is verlief op my en ek is verlief op hom. En ek en hy is verlief. En die liefde wat hy vir hom gegee was romanties en mooi. En hy gaan my vrou trou.
O, wanneer? Volgende jaar.
30ste Maart.